What's up guys, my rims have finally arrived alongside the tires, but we'll get to them later because I know that we are all eager to see the rims, so let's get to it. Alright, so the dimensions that I chose are 19 inch times 8.5 width, which I think should look pretty good, but we'll be the judge of that very soon. So let's take this out. Gotta take this foil out of the way so I can get the rim out. But before that, I'm just gonna put this foam sheet on the floor to avoid damaging the rim. And here we go. It's needless to say that these kind of reveals bring the same amount of joy and anticipation as a child on Christmas Day. We can already see the shape of the rim and boy is it nice. Okay, time for the real thing. Here we go. Here we go again. Wow, now this is something. I really love the glossy finish. I'm so glad I didn't go for the dark gray matte version. I also like how sharp it looks. Definitely a modern approach instead of the classic JDM standard that also looks good on an Rx8, don't get me wrong. Another great advantage of these rims, especially for us European owners, is that they come with a TÜV certificate, so you can legally register them on your Rx8. I will leave a link in the description to the site where I bought them so you can check them out. Okay, and now for the tires. Since I already have semi-slick tires for the track, it was pointless for me to buy some ultra high performance tires for basically driving in the city and here and there some highway. So I chose the Sava Intesa 2 ultra high performance tires. Damn hypocrite. Dimensions 245, 35, 19, which should look pretty slick once they're mounted. I went for a domestic Slovenian tire brand, which I used on other vehicles for about 8 years, and I only had good experiences with them. Also, by reading reviews online, it's among the best mid-range tires out there. The tires will also be linked in the description, so you can give them a look. With that said, it's time to merge the rims with the tires and see how well they fit together. And I'm back. The rims are now mounted, and overall, they look really good. If they were just a little bit more concave, it would have been great, but I'm also very satisfied with the current look. Another thing worth mentioning is that the lower edge of the tire is slightly more out than the rim to protect the edge of that rim from scraping. On another note, I'll place a poll in the right corner where you guys can vote if you like the rims or not. Looking very forward to see the results. So make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you don't want to miss the big body kit and paint reveal in my future videos.
So let's hit the ground running. Yeah.